On the mechanized production line, the grinding of molds is like crafting a work of art. The carbon neck glides precisely across the rigging, just like an artist tirelessly sculpting a masterpiece at the other end of the production line. Various raw materials are cut by high-speed saws into forged pieces ready for processing. These pieces flow into the forging workshop, heated to over 1000 degrees. The glowing red material endures powerful hammering, with sparks dancing in the roar of machines, like a phoenix reborn from the flames.